Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to study physics notes step by step. Begin by reviewing your notes within 24 hours of your lecture. This immediate review significantly boosts retention, helping solidify new information in your memory. Focus on identifying the core concepts, essential definitions, and critical formulas. Use a highlighter or underline key phrases to make important information stand out for easier access later on. Next, engage actively with your notes. Don't just passively read, try rewriting complex ideas in your own words. This process forces your brain to truly grasp the material. Then, tackle example problems directly from your notes or textbook. Attempt to solve them completely before checking the solution. Additionally, make flashcards for key formulas, physical constants, and any definitions you find particularly tricky. To deepen your understanding, visualize the concepts. Drawing diagrams or creating concept maps can reveal connections and relationships that might not be obvious otherwise. Try explaining challenging topics out loud as if you are teaching someone else. This method often exposes gaps in your knowledge. Always strive to link new information with physics principles you have already mastered, building a cohesive understanding. Finally, consistent practice and review are paramount. Dedicate time each week to work through a variety of problems, both conceptual and numerical, to solidify your skills. Schedule regular review sessions, perhaps for 30 to 60 minutes, to revisit older material and ensure long-term retention. Pinpoint any areas where you consistently struggle and allocate additional study time to master those specific topics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.